Stop taking those anti-aging supplements until you see this. A 2026 warning is changing everything we know about longevity boosters, and most people have no idea. In 2026, researchers confirmed that aging is not one single process. It is a series of biological switches turning off one by one, and the most critical switch of all is one most people have never heard of. The PGC1-alpha pathway is your body's mitochondrial master switch. When it is active, your body grows new, healthy mitochondria and cellular energy stays high. When it freezes, which happens through chronic stress, poor sleep, aging, and environmental toxins, your cellular energy collapses. Fatigue sets in, metabolism slows, and no standard supplement flips it back on. In 2026, researchers are raising serious questions about popular longevity boosters and whether they are actually addressing the root cause of cellular aging. Simply boosting existing pathways is not the same as triggering genuine mitochondrial biogenesis, the process of growing brand new, healthy mitochondria from scratch. There is a critical difference between patching the system and actually rebuilding it. Mitolyn is designed specifically to target the PGC1-alpha pathway, the master switch. PQQ activates mitochondrial biogenesis, triggering your body to grow new, healthy energy plants from scratch. CoQ10 fuels those new mitochondria to run at full capacity. This is not a boost, it is a rebuild. I want to be fully transparent with you. The link in my description is an affiliate link. I might earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. I only share what I genuinely think is helpful. In 2026, the standard for cellular health has changed. It is not about what you take. It is about whether what you take actually flips the right switch. Check the link in my description for the 2026 Mitolyn Wellbeing Protocol and start rebuilding from the inside out. This video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or lifestyle.